Imagine a warm, fluffy steamed bun, light as a cloud, that holds a delightful secret inside. When you break it open, a stream of golden, slightly salty sweet custard gently oozes out, creating a truly irresistible experience. This beloved dim sum treat is a symphony of textures and flavors, a perfect balance that leaves a lasting impression. The delectable Lau Sa Bao, often called the golden sand bun or Chinese letter in Chinese, originated from Cantonese cuisine in the southern regions of China, particularly within the vibrant culinary traditions of Guangdong Province and Hong Kong. It quickly became a staple in traditional dim sum houses, charming diners with its unique custard filling. This custard bun is a modern evolution of older, simpler custard buns. Its distinctive flowing sand characteristic comes from a clever blend of salted duck egg yolks, butter, sugar, and sometimes coconut milk, creating a rich, creamy, and slightly granular texture that melts in your mouth. The salted egg yolks are key, providing that subtle savory counterpoint that elevates it beyond a mere sweet dessert, making it uniquely satisfying and addictive. The precise balance of these ingredients is what gives it its iconic, lava-like flow. To fully appreciate a Lau Sa Bao, make sure to eat it fresh and warm. When ordering at a dim sum restaurant, wait for them to arrive steaming hot at your table. Gently tear it open from the top to releases the fragrant steam and watch the molten custard emerge. This reveals the flowing sand, effect that gives the bun its name, signifying a well-prepared and authentic treat. One of the unique aspects of Lau Sa Bao is its relatively recent surge in popularity compared to other dim sum classics like har gow or siu mai. While custard buns have existed for a long time, the specific, flowing custard style with salted egg yolk became widely popular in the early 21st century, becoming a must-have item in modern dim sum menus globally. Its appeal lies in its indulgent surprise, combining a traditional steamed bun with a luxurious, innovative filling. So, the next time you enjoy this delightful golden bun, you can appreciate its roots in rich Cantonese culinary history, its ingenious use of salted egg yolks for that signature oozy texture, and how it has become a cherished symbol of modern dim sum innovation, offering a uniquely satisfying experience with every bite.